Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a very long time since I've been able to do a video, but my mom is watching Amelia for me, so I was able to finally make you guys another video, and I am so excited. This is the look that I did for Mother's Day, and I had a lot of requests to do a tutorial for this video, so I was super excited to finally do one. It's probably been like a year, so yeah, it was really fun. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's super helpful. Please leave any comments letting me know if you like this video, if there's more things you would have liked to know. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so today I'm starting with my lip sleeping mask. My lips are always super dry, so we do not want that. I'm going to prep my face with my Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. The regular Moisture Surge just does not give me enough moisture. I'm also going to use a hydrating face primer by Lancome. This is called La Base Pro. Wet your beauty blender and foundation time. This is Tint Idol Ultra 24-Hour Makeup by Lancome, shade 360 Bisque Neutral. Now, I'm completely aware this does not match my face, but it will match my body. I promise. Now for concealer, I'm going in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Concealer in the shade Light Warm. And I'm just going to kind of highlight certain areas that I want to look brighter, especially my under eyes, honey, because you know I got them kids and they be keeping me awake, okay? So we're gonna look real fresh and hydrated. And I'm just going to set that concealer with my Urban Decay Pressed Setting Powder. Now I'm going to bronze my face with my Nars Laguna bronzer. I usually go in and try to make a shadow where I want my contour to be first, just so everything's really blended and, you know, hide that quarantine chin. And make the forehead tiny. I mean, why not? Then I'm going in with an angled blush brush and just kind of enhancing those contoured areas. Now for blush, I'm going to be using my Nars Deep Throat blush. Yes, you heard right. That's what it's called. But honey, ain't it cute? This is the prettiest blush, I swear. I'll be using it all the time, on my eyes, everywhere. Okay, now this is the best highlighter. My client told me about it. Thank you, Brittany. I'm obsessed. Literally, I will never use another highlighter after this highlighter. Anyway, it's called Cookie. It's by Benefit. You all need it. Go buy it. I'm obsessed. I just want to put it all over my whole body. It is beautiful. Now I'm just going to blend this out a little bit because I don't want no harsh lines. Gotta look soft, you know. Now I'm gonna go in and give me some brows because you know I'm not gonna walk around with these tiny brows, okay? So this is my Benefit brow pencil in shade 5. It is called Precisely My Brow. It has the skinniest little tip. You can draw little hairs with it. I love it. I'm just gonna set my brows now with my clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, eyeshadow time, honey. This is a Stila palette, Perfect Me, Perfect Hue. This palette is warm and pink and beautiful. So the first two shades are Imaginative and Vibrant. I mixed those and kind of just built it up into my crease. I kept adding it till the shade was what I wanted it to be. And then I kind of winged it out where the eyeliner goes. Now we're adding in the shade Witty. That's also gonna go in the crease, but a little lower and not as fluffed out. And I also added it to my outer corner. I'm taking what's left on that brush and just putting it under my bottom lashes. Now I'm gonna go in with a very tight brush and use the shade Flirty. That's going to be like a really deep maroon that's just gonna add a slight shadow in the crease and on the outer corner. I'm going to go back and forth between the fluffy brush and the tight brush and just kind of make it blended but sharp at the same time. So the two brushes really help me to just get it blended perfectly. I'm going in with a flat liner brush and that same shade Flirty and putting that under my bottom lashes as well, just to add a little bit of shadow there. Now I'm gonna add in this black shade and use the fluffy brush again. I just wanted a little extra pop of dark in the outer corner. So on the lids, I'm gonna be using this coppery toned shimmery shadow called Adventurous. It just made all of the other colors pop. As a base for my inner corner, I used the shadow Brilliant, which is like a pinky shimmer. And then on top of that, I used my MAC Vanilla shadow just to kind of make the brow bones pop and the inner corners pop. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner Duo Pen. I love this thing. It is super duper black, not that like nasty gray black, a nice jet black. It has a pencil on one side and a liquid liner pen on the other. And it's like a felt tip, very pointy liquid liner pen. You can do a nice skinny line with it, a thick line. It works really well. So I'm gonna use my lash primer and just prime my lashes so that the mascara does not dry them out. You can use any lash primer. This is my Clinique High Impact Extreme Volume Mascara in the shade Extreme Black. This mascara really separates my lashes, so it's what I've been using lately. And then I'm gonna pop on some lashes. I like to use my Lash Duo Dark Tone Glue. It tends to dry dark like the eyeliner, so I like that. I'm going to line my lips with my Kylie lip liner in the shade Iced Latte. I use this under almost any of my lip looks, like whether it's gonna be bright or neutral. It's just a really good base for any lipstick. And then I'm gonna use my new favorite lipstick right now. It is by Nars and the shade is called Crushing. It is so beautiful. It's moisturizing, it's semi-shimmery, it's like translucent but not. It is the prettiest lipstick. So now we're gonna set this beautiful face that we just created with our Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. I swear by it, it is my favorite setting spray. You can't convince me any other setting spray is better. I'm always gonna use it, it's my favorite. And now is the step where you stare at yourself and admire yourself and take a bunch of selfies because you did that, honey.
All right, you guys, this is the final look. I hope that this video was super helpful for you. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If there are any looks that you would like to request for the future, just drop it in the comments. I am totally up for ideas. They are super helpful. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next. And I hope you guys really like this look. I really like this look. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.